Check Point is huge in global security or cybersecurity. They've been in the industry for almost 29 years. They are really known in large enterprises. Most of the service providers that I worked for have been using Check Points for security, but Check Point also has many devices for SMB or small and mid-sized businesses, like the Quantum Spark security gateways that I'm talking about today. These are high-performance integrated security gateways for SMBs, and by SMBs, we generally consider an enterprise or a network that has less than 500 subscribers. The Quantum Spark security gateways will give you the comprehensive security you need to protect your network. In Quantum Spark like this one, you get a new generation firewall along with a lot of features like site-to-site or remote access VPN. You get threat mitigation with email security, intrusion prevention, application visibility and control. You get an anti-spam, anti-bot, antivirus, and the SandBlast zero-day protection. So it's really loaded with features. In the box, you get the device itself, of course, the appliance. You get a quick start guide and a template that you can use to drill the device, to drill for the device to be attached to a wall like this. There's a power adapter that I like very much because you can screw it on the back like this, so there's no accidental disconnection of this cable. You have a USB-A to USB-C cable, some screws and anchors to attach your device to the wall, a UTP cable, and a Wi-Fi antennas. So today we're going to spend a lot of time on this one here. And of course, when you look at it, you notice these antennas. So in the back, we have 8 ports that can be used for your LAN network, or they can be standalone interfaces. And the thing that I like about this device is that you can also dedicate these ports to your internet connection. Like if you need WAN 1 and WAN 2 and you don't want to use your DMZ port, you can use one of these ports here for internet. So we have the 8 ports and we have the DMZ interface, which has an RJ45 port and an SFP port if you want to use a fiber or copper. We also have the one port right next to it, and we have the USB 3.0. We also have the USB-C for console cable, and we also have the reset button up here, and below it we have the factory reset button. You can also put an SD card on this side here. In the front we have the Check Point logo and these lights that we turn up when the device is being used. Alright, so this is the dashboard of the device, and you can see a lot of system information here, and we can have our network activity, the packet rate and the throughput. And I can quickly go down the menu here to show you what we have, but we're going to have a chance to explore this further later. So we have the overview under home, and we can do monitoring here or troubleshooting with some tools. Next device, we have network, where we have all the network configuration, system, certificates, and advanced configuration for the device. Access policy, we have firewall access policy, user awareness, QoS, and SSL inspection. Under threat protection, we have threat protection, protections, IPS protections, and anti-spam, and so on. And under VPN, we can do remote access VPN or site-to-site VPN, and we can set certificates for VPN connections. And we can also manage users under users and objects, where we have user management and network resources. Under logs and monitoring, we have logs, status, and diagnostics. We can see here that some sessions are being dropped by the firewall, so it's doing its job already.